Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send an invitation in AnyDesk, step by step. Sending an invitation allows you to quickly invite another user to connect to your device using AnyDesk. So let's get started. First, open AnyDesk on your computer. Once AnyDesk opens, you'll see your AnyDesk address displayed on the main screen. Next, click on the Invite button located beside your AnyDesk address. An invite window will now appear. At the top, you'll see a field labeled Send a Session Invitation to the following AnyDesk ID or alias. In this field, type the AnyDesk ID or alias of the person you want to invite. Below that, you'll see a Profile drop-down menu. Click on the drop-down menu to choose the type of access you want to provide. For example, you can choose Default, Screen Sharing, Full Access, or Unattended Access depending on your needs. Screen sharing allows the other person to only view your screen, while Full Access lets them remotely control your computer. After entering the AnyDesk ID and selecting the appropriate profile, click the Invite button at the bottom of the window. The invitation will then be sent to the specified AnyDesk user. The recipient will receive a notification in their AnyDesk application and can accept the invitation to start the remote session. Once the invitation is accepted, the remote connection will begin automatically based on the profile you selected. And that's it. You've successfully sent an invitation in AnyDesk. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AnyDesk tutorials and tech tips. See you in the next video.